everyone, welcome back to Drive Comfort 2 channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech updates from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Today, we're diving deep into a device that's already making waves before its official release, the upcoming Huawei Mextro S800, set to launch in 2026. This phone is being called the next big leap in smartphone innovation, and after seeing what Huawei has been cooking up, it's clear why the tech community can't stop talking about it. Let's start with the design. The Huawei Mextro S800 brings a bold, futuristic look with its ultra-slim titanium alloy frame and a near-bezel-less 7-inch AMOLED FlexVision display. It's not just about looks. This screen is capable of a 240Hz refresh rate and 4K ultra-dynamic resolution, making it one of the sharpest and smoothest displays ever seen on a smartphone. Huawei has also introduced something they call Smart Adaptive View, which automatically adjusts the color temperature and brightness based on your environment. Whether you're outdoors under the sun or watching a movie in the dark, the display adapts perfectly. Under the hood, the Mextro S800 is powered by Huawei's new Kirin X2 Quantum chip, built on a 2nm process. This chip promises a 45% increase in performance and 30% better power efficiency compared to the previous generation. The phone will come with up to 16GB of LPDDR6 RAM and a whopping 1TB of UFS 5.0 storage. That means it's lightning fast. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking with heavy apps, the Mextro S800 handles it all effortlessly. Now let's talk cameras, something Huawei has always excelled at. The S800 features a quad-lens Leica co-engineered camera system, led by a 200-megapixel primary sensor with variable aperture technology. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 100-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 3D lidar sensor for depth mapping and augmented reality. The AI-driven imaging system, called HyperSense 3.0, uses real-time scene optimization to deliver stunning photos in any lighting condition. Even the front camera has received a huge upgrade with a 60-megapixel lens capable of 8K video recording. Battery life is another area where Huawei is setting new standards. The Mextro S800 houses a 6500 mAh graphene-based battery that supports 150W wired fast charging and 100W wireless charging. And get this, it can charge from 0 to full in under 15 minutes. Plus, Huawei's new PowerSave AI feature intelligently manages background tasks to extend battery life by up to 40%. Software-wise, it runs on HarmonyOS 6.0 with deeper AI integration. The phone learns from your usage patterns and predicts your needs before you even tap. Huawei also claims that the Mextro S800 is one of the most secure smartphones in the world, with advanced on-device encryption and quantum-safe data protection. So, that's the upcoming Huawei Mextro S800, a futuristic powerhouse that's ready to redefine what we expect from smartphones in 2026. What do you think about these features? Would you buy it when it launches? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.